Hello everyone, I'm Heather Dannenhauer and I work for Duke Energy Corporate Communications, and we are out here at the Lake Buena Vista Operations Center, and I'm here with my friend Johnny, who is a lineman. He's been with the company for 15 years now, and he has been working all day to prepare for this storm. Tell us what you and your crews have been doing.
Basically, we came in this morning and we've got all our trucks loaded up for the storm. We tried to get all of our trucks stocked up with the material that we need for the work that we're going to be able to do tomorrow. We're not sure exactly what we're going to run into, but we're going to carry as much as we can on our trucks to get people back on that we can.
And just walk me through what to expect. I know some of our crews are going home tonight, getting a good night's rest. They'll be ready to roll come tomorrow and of course through the weekend.
Basically for us, we're going to go home tonight and wait the storm out like everybody else. Once it's safe for us to come in and they release us to come in, we'll get in here and get our running orders. As far as getting people back on, we're going to get the backbones on first, which consists of if the hospitals or any of the other safety first responders like your emergency, the fire rescue, the police, and so on. We're going to get them on first, and then go on down the line, getting the majority of the people, the bigger customers on. If there's thousands versus 2 or 3, we're going to get those on first, and then go on down the line.
And how have you prepared at home? I know you have a wife at home and also a 12-year-old son.
Yeah, just like anybody else, try to make my house safe for the storm, and tie everything down. I didn't put any wood on my windows, but I may try to get home the night before it gets dark and do it. But just try to pick up anything, just like anybody else would.
Now, let's give a shout out to your wife. My husband is a first responder. He works for Gainesville Fire Rescue near the University of Florida, and certainly I can understand what your wife must be feeling. She's at home by herself. She's taking care of the family. So what's her name?
Lena.
So Lena, I want to thank you for everything you're doing. It isn't just the guys here in the field, it's the people at home that are supporting. So thank you for taking care of the family out there. We really do appreciate everything that everyone is doing. Now let's talk a little bit about the complexities of restoring power. Now you mentioned that you get emergency services online first.
Yes.
And then what's next, and what can this truck do that's behind us?
Well, we can do anything out of the truck. I mean, as far as the smaller jobs go, we could pick up a little, some wire and stuff. But as far as miles of wire down, or if there's a large part that's damaged, we're gonna need help. So from what we're told, we do have help here, and everybody's waiting for it to go through, and we're gonna get them on.
Now what about the people at home? People are preparing, seeing gas stations that are just bustling with people getting gas. All the stores are bustling with activity. If someone experiences a power outage and sees down lines, what should they do?
Most definitely stay away. Treat them like they are energized. Never assume that they're dead. And if you do see them, just call us, and it may take us a few days to get out there depending on how bad the storm is, but we're going to get out there as soon as we can.
Yeah, and that's a really good point. With this storm, it is very serious. It is potentially deadly. We don't know what that power restoration process is going to look like. It may take several days to restore power, but our ultimate goal is to restore it safely and as quickly as possible. We want to remind people of that out there. Being safe, their lives, the lives of our crews are our top priority.
Yes, ma'am. Safety first.
Absolutely. Well, I really want to thank Johnny for giving us some insight about how crews are preparing. This Buena Vista Operations Center is an amazing location. We take this storm very seriously. We want you to do the same. We have 36 sheets of plywood that are already on our windows here, getting ready for the storm. Our crews, as Johnny mentioned earlier, have been getting their supplies and inventory stocked and ready to go. So when this storm passes, our crews are ready to roll. Something else that's important for us at Duke Energy is making sure that we're keeping you informed. So there's several ways that you can stay in the know. 2, I want to point out. 1 is to go to our website. Now, if you don't have computer access, that's certainly okay. You can access it via your smartphone, and that's to go to duke-energy.com/outages. duke-energy.com/outages. And if you want to stay in the know, get alerts on power restoration, you can do so. All you have to do is text REG, that's REG, at 57801, 57801. Again, follow the direction from our emergency managers out there. Take this storm seriously. Our crews, people like Johnny, are taking it seriously, and we want you to stay safe out there.